Good afternoon, mapay nga kulop hayong tanan. Look at this, your books are in good hands with us. Balitaw, nakaano sila, nakasetting pretty, and we are going to Iwan Eastern Samar para i-stockpile muna doon because we are going to have a turnover on June 1, 2026 kasabay ng Brigada Eskwela. So we have 200 books for Ngulos Elementary School. So, para doon sa kanilang library sa eskwelahan, magdadagdag tayo ng 200 books. So, ayan na po yung mga nagbigay nito or nag-donate. Thank you very much. And as you can see, hindi namin pinapabayaan yung mga naibigayan yung mga aklat sa Sagka Towards a Better Future. So again, this is a continuing book donation drive para sa mga may ibibigay pa na books. Please comment down below so we can tell you kung paano may transfer sa amin or paano namin makukuha. So yun lamang po. Again, mga upay ng kulupay yung atanan.